Hello, hello. Let me adjust that there. All right, coffee. One of my favorite things. Every morning I have to have it. And ever since I got a French press, I've never went back to a drip maker. I have my little system in the morning, so my coffee's ready when I am. But this one is from SterlingPro, and stainless steel double wall cafeteria. I don't know how to pronounce it. I never did. But this uses a double screen. Now, again, this is from SterlingPro. And on Amazon, when I got it, actually, it was $29.98. But as of today, when I'm doing this video, it's actually on sale for $24.99 with free shipping. So I don't know how long that sale is going to last. But, okay. SterlingPro French press double wall stainless steel mirror finish. This one is 1 liter or 8 cups. 35 fluid ounces. It's 1810 stainless steel, rust-free, dishwasher safe, double screen system, 100% no coffee grounds, guaranteed supposedly, or no, just a guarantee on that, not guaranteed no coffee grounds. Anyway, SterlingPro, I have their European style press, which is kind of a pear shape. And I'll be honest, I've used it every day for over a year now. I love it. I've gotten other presses in between for review, but I always go back to that SterlingPro press. I love the double walled idea. It does really, really keep your coffee warm. Much longer than a traditional glass one would. Anyway, we have instructions here. Add 1 rounded tablespoon of fresh coarse ground coffee for each 4-ounce cup. That's whatever you want to do. I mean, I use a lot more. I like mine strong. Add hot, not boiling water. Replace plunger and lid. Allow to stand for at least 4 minutes. Now, I usually go for at least 6, but it's usually closer to 10. It depends. Push plunger down while holding handle. Firmly serve immediately. That's the instructions, of course. Whatever. Let's see what else is in here. That's it. Okay. We have our manual. Please read completely. We have get your questions answered right away. Customer support for SterlingPro, which is nice. And we have a couple extra screens here for you, which are really nice to have, of course. But here is the press. I can't wait to use this thing. Like I said, I have the other one, and I absolutely love it. But it's kind of getting it's getting worn, as it were. I was about to buy new screens for it. But then, I was offered a chance to review this one, and I had to jump on it, of course. But this is it here. Beautiful, beautiful looking stainless steel. It's an almost mirror finish. It has a very, very light brushed lines in it. But for the most part, yes, it is mirror finish. Very, this handle is, I can't move it. It's on there very well. Now, here's the top, our plunger, of course. Pull that out. Oh, hey, there's a spoon in there. Cool. Here's the bottom. Oh, the other one didn't have this in there. But if you can see down in there, we have markings. 8 cups, 6, 4, 2, and then in ounces. Oh, I thought it would say milliliters. I guess not. Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? We're in America, so we don't use that stuff. Anyway. We have our coffee spoon, 7 gram, 0.25 ounces per cup. This is what you're supposed to use per cup. So 8 cups, 8 of these in here. I may actually try that and see how it tastes. See if I can maybe get a more precise system. But, oh, that's cool. There's a little arrow there, which is nice. Because I know my other one doesn't have an arrow on it to let you know where the slant is to pour your coffee out. When you put it in, you turn it, to keep the heat in. Now, here it is here. And it does come apart to make it easy to clean, which is what I love. We have our pieces. Screen is our base. Screen, spring section. And then screws back on. Like so. Seems very nicely made. I expected it to be, as I said. I'm very impressed with my other SterlingPro press. And I cannot wait to use this one. It's really nice. It's very, very nice. I don't know how many more times I can say that. But for the price, even what I paid, $29.98, it's worth it. But as I said, right now it's on sale for $24.99. says list price of $89.95, but okay, yeah, whatever. You can also make other stuff in here, of course. You can make, you know, tea, hot chocolate, cold brew, you know, whatever else you want in here. You know, but as I said, one of the great features about this press is that it's double walled, and it really, really does keep your coffee, you know, warmer than a regular glass one does. I know this from experience, from having the European version of this, it's a double walled. I mean, I haven't tested this one out yet. This just arrived today, so I'm just unboxing it now for you. But let me have my coffee in this in the morning. Of course, I'm gonna have to wash it first, but I will have my coffee and check it out, and, you know, make sure all the grounds are staying out of my coffee and all that, and I will write up a whole review for you. Review link will be in the description. But as of now, you know, if you see the European one, I can highly recommend that one. Even this one, from what I can say. $24.99 Amazon right now, free shipping. SterlingPro French press, double wall, stainless steel. Thanks a lot.